Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you on this Friday afternoon. Is February 28th, and we're taking a look at the Bitcoin articles for today. We have Cardano in the news here talking about surging and actually leading this bull market rally too, for the most part. So obviously Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have seen a little bit of a sell-off, but Cardano is steadily making new higher highs, reaching past $1 and continuing to soar ever since it's past $1. So we're going to take a look at Cardano today, also in the charts, and read our article here. And then we have cryptocurrency millionaires boom, or fuel a boom in digital art. So obviously we've seen NFTs start to take off too as well on certain blockchains such as Ethereum and Polkadot. And now we're just going to be jumping on over into that, see what the future may hold for the NFTs too, and see where we might be able to place our strategic moves in this market, to see where we can capitalize on top of those NFTs too as well. So folks, stick around. Let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the cryptocurrency market continues to boom. And so what we have here is digital art taking a new toll on the cryptocurrency market. Let's take a look at this video, see what's going on. We'll read through it and then take a look at the video. It says, interesting, the art has a rite of passage for the financial heavyweights, marketing their transformation and undefined market players to modern aristocrats. The billionaires, or billions of dollars made playing stocks and bonds, are funneled into a Jasper Johns painting on the wall, Picasso's in a bunker of the Green Free Port, or famously in the case of Steve Cohen, the 14-foot tiger shark preserved in former Dane in Diamond Hearst in the center of penthouse living room, with Bitcoin surging more than 400% over the last year and trading near all-time highs. It's the crypto millionaires' turn to dabble in finer things. Sales of digital art have skyrocketed from $235,000 in February 2020 to 63 million this month, according to data cryptoart.com, which tracks sales across 6 auction houses. With new in the instance is the art, like the currencies, have no physical presence. The core case for buying digital rather than physical art is that it comes with a publicly verified record, a non-fungible token, the NFT, that ascribes ownership and authenticates a work through public blockchains in exchange for opting for something you can only see on a screen rather than hang on a wall, and buyer never has to worry about the issue of the provenance. The question of authenticity has bedeviled even the most vulnerable in real-world art dealers. Someone went out of business in 2011 after being sued for selling millions of sham paintings made by forgery ring based in Queens. And while the chain of custody is guaranteed, there's no such promise that what is an offer will suit the typical art buyer tastes. Much of what occupies online galleries reflects the sensibility of crypto enthusiasts. Memes, jokes, and coins, Bitcoin, Ether, and Ethereum blockchains, creator Vitalik Buterin, are favored in the tribe of muses. Okay, so this is I get the fact that we want to make sure that the authenticity is there. The only thing that I can't really wrap my head around the NFTs is that, I think Crypto Zombie talked about this too, is that basically, you could have, anyone could take a screenshot of the NFT and, again, copy and paste, and how is that able to hold its value there too as well. The only thing that I've seen that makes NFTs a little bit more worth noting is that I've seen the art being sold with a digital NFT on the side. So if that art, a physical copy of the art, has been sold, and I forget which artist it is, it's a Bitcoin artist, but he sells his art online, and he also gives you a NFT with that too, a private and a public key, so that way the authenticity of that public art is available, but whenever you sell the art piece, it also comes with that QR public and private address too as well, so that way anyone can claim that art piece, and it gets kind of tracked on the blockchain of who owns that art piece, right? And so I could see how digital art that way may be a way of the future. But for everything being digital, I do have a little bit of a hard time understanding that, just because I know that a lot of people could probably easily just copy and paste this stuff too, right? But let's take a look at this video, see what they have to say here on Bloomberg. And here, I'll go ahead and mute myself. And for some reason it won't play. Interesting. Let me try and refresh the page really quick just to see if we can get this to play. Oh well, for some reason it doesn't want to play. But anyways,
cryptocurrency millionaires fuel a boom.
and we can listen to the article there. But yeah, that's the only thing that I have to say about the NFTs. Obviously, here's another digital art piece of Ethereum. The artists and technologies see digital art as the future. She says the submerge of crypto art is being held back in the art world. Establishment's severe and purposeful misunderstanding of digital art as a novelty, a gag gift of modern tulip mania. As a result, she wrote in an email, much of the recent auction craze comes across the middle-aged suburban soccer dad trying really hard to be cool, good intention, but awkwardly weird. And so let's see. And I know Logan Paul's been on this too as well, selling some of his NFTs, I believe, on Polkadot blockchain, if I'm not mistaken. I think he was using the Polkadot blockchain for that. Anthony Pompliano having some clout here with some of his art pieces. The one-on-one art piece commission a year ago became the most sought-after piece of digital art in the world, of The Last Supper, with some interesting people there at the table. Crypto experts like Coinmetrics and Nick Carter caution the market in danger of overheating. Uncertainty seems frothy that kernel is a good idea and there will be continue to thrive, Carter said. But even if this current mania of art-based NFT ultimately goes bust, the groundwork is being laid for the later time when more assets live on the blockchains. In the future, I expect that we see NFTs move beyond the domain and autograph PNGs and move into domain and more instrumental tokens, digital artifacts tied to some genuine utility. Yeah, so I definitely think the utility factor is the biggest key right now. Is like, obviously it's digital art on an NFT blockchain, but is there actual physical copy? And that's the only thing that I can see where the NFTs may come into play, is that if there's an actual physical copy that's like delivered with the NFT, then hey, that makes more sense to me. But hey, if y'all know anything about the NFTs and y'all are interested in laying some knowledge, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think of the NFTs. Let's move over into Cardano, folks. Cardano is just now implementing its new Mary hard fork, and we don't need to do anything if you're a Cardano holder. I was researching this, but the way that they stated the hard fork is that basically everyone's tokens will be safe already anyways, and I do believe that this is going to be released early March. So let's read into the article here, see what's going on. Cardano is sorting through ADA's price, still has a long way to go to beat the record high versus Bitcoin. Cardano's ADA received a fresh wave of optimism and buying volume on February 26th that pushed its price to new all-time high of $1.29, making the third-ranked cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Data from Cointelegraph's Markets and Trading View shows ADA surged 27% from the low of 98 cents during the early trading hours of February 26th, and its new high of $1.30 on record trading volume. Momentum for the project has been building throughout the month of February following the integration of Mary Upgrade to Cardano's testnet on February 3rd. The upgrade enables smart contract functionality, helping transform the blockchain into multi-asset. I don't know why they say February 3rd. It's supposed to be March, I believe. The Mary upgrade is taking place in March. Mary's mainnet launch date revealed on March 1st. Here we go. The latest rise in coincidence of Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson posted the following tweet. Ladies and gentlemen, the rocket in the air. Mary will reach orbit in one epoch. Welcome to the Mary area. I was benevolent and good. Misery made me fiend. Make me happy and I shall be virtuous. Okay. Interesting stuff. So obviously the Mary upgrade for Cardano is set to be launched on March 1st, and we're steadily seeing the rise of Cardano 2. ADA briefly peaked, surpassing Litecoin, okay, according to Cointelegraph. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. As seen on the chart above, vortices score ADA high of 79 on February 25th. Smart contract functionality is the key component of Mary Upgrade and is expected to usher in a new area of functionality for the Cardano ecosystem. Once integrated, decentralized finance applications will be able to operate on the network and provide an outlet for users who are looking to escape higher gas fees on the Ethereum network. So yeah, this basically is going to be implementing the smart contract functionality for Cardano, folks. So you're going to see a lot of projects being launched on Cardano, and I believe that this makes Cardano really, really bullish. So I want to show you what we posted for our trading group before this happened. We posted for our trading group a couple of days ago, or like a couple of months ago. This was back in 2020, and our trading group, while I'm still waiting to give out the video about Patreon. Okay, so how to stake ADA. We talked about ADA, and we talked about the Cardano hard fork too as well. Or we talked about getting into ADA, and then let me see if I can. We're going to look at this right here, ADA, Cardano ADA price targets. We talked about price targets all the way back from 11/24/2020. So we've been dollar cost averaging into Cardano for a long time, folks. And so if you aren't part of our private trading group, I highly encourage you to come over there and join us in our private trading group page. Oh, I was zoomed out there. Okay, so we talked about Cardano getting into that price, or getting into Cardano all the way back at... when was this? Back in 2020. So late 2020, we talked about getting into Cardano. You can see some of our charts that we had drawn out here inside of our private trading group page on Discord. So yeah, come over there and join us, folks. You can learn about all the altcoins that we're getting into, and bullish altcoins that we think will have a substantial amount of return going into the near future. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the charts, see what's going on over there, and transition over there, folks. Let's see what's happening. All right, so what we're looking at is Bitcoin right now here on the 90-minute time frame. You can see that after our rejection at the 2-year moving average, we're just steady, kind of making a sloping trend line down to the bottom here. What we're probably looking for is some type of fallen wedge pattern here to the downside. We could draw our trend line down to the bottom here if we wanted to. But more than likely, we're going to be looking for possibly a fallen wedge pattern, and then continuing further up to the upside here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I would be a little bit cautious though, folks. It does look like our 4-hour time frame starting to head kind of down in that money flow range here too as well. I would say that our next area of support is $40,000, and $40,000 we're looking possibly at this area down here. So let's see if we were to draw somewhat of a $40,000 range, somewhere right around there. And then if we hit below that, I would say $30,000 is our next range. If we take a look at the weekly chart, our 20 weekly moving average is sitting right at about $30,000 or so. And we do know that during our bull runs, sometimes we come back down to retest the 20 weekly moving average. So if we get that big rejection further to the downside, I'm definitely anticipating possibly a nice correction here, almost up to a 50% correction to the downside. And that's really not much to see for Bitcoin. Obviously, it's probably going to shake out a lot of the weak hands, but we know we got them diamond hands over here, baby. So I feel so cringe saying that, but it is what it is. It is definitely the new meme going on in the space too. So make sure you got your hands are strong, ready to hold this. If we break below support here at $40,000 or so, we're looking for a price target at around 30,000 or maybe 35,000 or so. But our 4-hour time frame, it looks a little bearish, to be honest, but let's see what happens here with Bitcoin moving forward on into the end of February and possibly into March too as well. And what we're really going to be keeping a close eye on is some of the alts as of right now. So let's take a look at Ethereum. I mean, not Ethereum. Let's take a look at ADA. That's really what we want to take a look at. ETH is also kind of in a steady downtrend too as well. We're having trouble getting above $9,500 or $1,500 or so. But taking a look at Cardano, folks, let's take off some of these indicators here, clean up the charts just a tad bit. And Cardano is just steadily rising here. This is the 4-hour chart. Money flow, it kind of trickled off to the bottom side, but now we started to see some recovery for the most part. If we start to zoom out on our charts, our 12-hour time frame and 8-hour time frame still look relatively good. 8 hours still got a nice trajectory to the upside here. And what we're probably looking for is a test all the way up to our extension level here that we had drawn out previously ago. Those were some of our price targets that already got fulfilled on ADA as well. So let's drag this all the way out. I do believe that we're sitting right at about here. Yeah, we're looking for about a $1.30 Cardano. As you can see, we've gotten rejected on this fib extension level here at about the 3618. Now we're looking for the 4236 level. And that is right at about $1.40 for Cardano. Yeah, definitely looking like Cardano wants to be making some higher highs here. Let's take a look at the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart still giving us a green dot here on market Cipher B to the upside too as well. Looking at the daily chart, daily green dot has occurred for us too as well. A daily or 2-day green dot has also occurred for us. Cardano's looking really good, folks. I think that going on into the Mary upgrade for March, we're definitely going to see some higher prices for Cardano, possibly even surpassing this here. I'll draw out some price targets for our private members on our trading group page. And folks, if y'all want to join us in our private trading group, you can pay with debit or credit card through Patreon, and join us on our Discord page. If you want to pay with crypto, message me on Discord and I'll take care of you. But you want to make sure that you have Discord at least to stay up to date with our 24/7 updates whenever you join our private trading group. So with that being said, folks, I think we'll go ahead and end it here, and I'll get back to y'all tomorrow. But everyone stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family so that way they can stay up to date with the cryptocurrency market, with the Cardano updates, with Ethereum updates each and every single day. I'll see y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.